been a long time.
Good afternoon again, everyone. This is Christine at Fibre Carpet here in Victoria, BC. And we're back at the home with the completed job for the living room, the family room, and the stairs. Now, I just wanted you to see how well this family room turned out. It's just amazing. We're all very surprised how well it turned out. But with Harry's hard work and our fabulous CBS cleaner, aka carpet shampoo, it turned out fantastic. And just another quick video here of the stairs completed, which they turned out great as well.
Yeah, they did, because this is the original 42 years.
Yeah, they turned out great. Homeowners very pleased.
Dogs and cats and everything.
And then the living room as well. So you can see the finished job. Fantastic carpet cleaning success. If you'd like your carpets this clean, give us a call at 778-433-9348. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.